I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so we just got back from the movies. Went to go see that Creed movie. Creed 3. It's good. I recommend going to watch it. I won't spoil it for you. I'll just say go watch it. So looking over here, as you can see, this desk workbench is probably the cleanest it has been in a long time. So we're gonna try to keep it that way. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Had to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff, etc. So like I said, working our way around the garage, starting over here, working our way around. We just hit the work table. So I don't know, there's much that I could do over here as of yet. I'm thinking one of them router tables can probably go up there, being that I don't use it like that. Hell, if not both of them. Because if I can get them both off the floor, then that's good. And then I can move a little shelf right here, over here. So that's what I'm thinking. But in order to do that, I gotta get up there and see what's going on with them boxes. So stand by. But we working on it. Alright, what up, good people?
Garage door.
It's your boy Ellison, right 254. FLX H Glider 254, man. It's been a minute. This video going up on both channels, but it's mainly for the bike. So what do we call this video? I accidentally ordered parts for my bike. That's what we're gonna call this video. I accidentally ordered parts for my Harley. Okay, wait, let me explain. I need to get some leather wipes for my bike. Yeah. Alright, so let me explain, right? So you know that we got a list, and the list over here depicts what it is, what we're trying to do. So we want to do lower pods, these speaker lids, hand guards, lower fairing turn signal, upgrade the shocks in the rear, and a 21 and 18 wheel upgrade, right? So 21 18, of course, is like gonna be the last thing. Upgrading the shocks. I don't have a terrible problem with the way it rides now, but definitely probably need something in the near future. Lower fairing turn signals, lowers, and pods, and the speaker lids, which is like 2 6x9s in each. And then you got those hand guards as well. So yeah, so what happened is I accidentally ordered them, and I know y'all gonna be like, you'll be like, what do you mean you accidentally ordered it? See, so what had happened was, alright, so let me explain. See, what had happened was, so I had made a printout of what I wanted from this specific site called Advent Black. I wanted the speaker pods, the lowers, all color painted to match my bike. Also wanted the speaker lids, the hand guards, and the lower fairing switchback lights. You know, more you can see me, the more you can be aware, all that good stuff. So I just accidentally ordered not one, not two, but 3 things off my list, which I originally had. And if you go back in the other video, you'll know. I mean, you won't know what it is. I mean, I'm about to tell you, but yeah. So yeah, originally it was, like I said, the speaker pods, the lowers, the dual 6x9 speaker lids, the hand guards, and the switchback lights. So, like I said, I just accidentally ordered 3 of those. What 3 of those did I just accidentally order? I'll let you guess. You can now pause the video and guess in the comments. Alright, so this is the scene of the crime. So I was sitting here on the computer. I had everything in the cart. I was about ready to check out. I wanted to double check. Or cross-reference some parts and some prices, estimated taxes, etc., etc. Before I placed the order, right? So me being me, instead of like, I don't know, instead of getting a calculator and doing it there, I go into the cart. I bring it up in PayPal, pretty much, and yeah. So rather than PayPal confirming what my prices and everything was going to be, because that's what I thought it was going to do, I thought it was going to, you know, be like, hey, this is your final price, blah blah blah, do you agree or whatever. Nope, that's not what happened. It was like, hey, we recognize this computer, and then next thing I know, boom, it's like, your order has to be confirmed. So I'm like, no, wait, what did I just do? So I'm like, nah, I'm tripping. I didn't do what I just think I did. So I back out, and I check. I'm looking at my email, right? And it's like, your invoice for, you know, this order, blah blah blah. Invoice for the order. Then it says another email, which is a receipt. A receipt for my order. Wow, that's crazy. I was ready, but I wasn't ready. I needed like one more little hoorah or something. I don't know. One more little. I don't know, man. I was not. That's just not what I was looking for. That's all. I was not ready. But we here now. We are here. We are here now. Once again, drop down off in the comments and let me know what you think I accidentally ordered from my bike. So let me tell you what was on the list again. So it was the lowers, the speaker pods for the lowers, the LED lights for the lowers, the hand guards, and the 6x9 dual saddlebag lid covers. So those were the 3 things. Y'all let me know what you think I accidentally ordered. And yeah. Be careful, man. Be very careful. Shit's crazy out here.